Medal tally increases. Jamaica wins silver in the male 100 meters at the 2024 Paris Olympics. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, wanted man killed by police in St. Catherine. And JPS in the line of fire after two men were electrocuted in Clarendon community. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after the break.